Keystone Heavy Industries pure electric excavator XN20EV adopts a pure electric drive system. No need for fuel, reduces noise and pollution. Enhanced flexibility, lightweight body and flexible operation. Retractable walking frame. Width can be adjusted freely from 990mm to 1240mm. Suitable for working in a narrow construction site and complex terrain. Strong practicality. Pioneering 35 kWh electricity nationwide under different construction conditions. The XN20EV electric excavator can be operated for about 6 to 8 hours. Boom swing function can easily excavate narrow areas such as corners. Bucket excavation force 10.5 kN. Deeper arm excavation force 6.5 kN. Bucket capacity 0.045 cubic meter. Can meet the needs of most small-scale construction projects. Energy saving. No gas emissions. Reduced air pollution. The electric drive system reduces mechanical vibration, reduced noise pollution, provides a more stable and comfortable operating experience. Simple maintenance. XN20EV adopts modular design. The equipment is easy to disassemble and maintain. The electric drive system does not require fuel and lubricating oil. Reduced maintenance requirements for engines and transmission systems. Reduced maintenance costs. Keystone Heavy Industries pure electric excavator XN20EV is a small and efficient excavator, featuring pure electric drive, low noise, easy maintenance, and environmental protection and energy conservation. It is suitable for various small construction sites and can provide users with an efficient, comfortable, and environmentally friendly mining experience.